When I first joined a society at Warwick, I joined the French Society because I wanted to make friends with people on my course that weren't in my classes, and I was also able to speak to people within the society who were in later years of academic study here at French here. Obviously when you join university it's a step up from A-levels, so being able to be guided by older years as well as being able to make friends with people that I wouldn't ordinarily meet in my classes was a really great experience within the society. So I went from just a member of the French Society to the president of, and that was a really great experience because I was able to develop my leadership skills and teamwork skills to organise all the events from a film night to the circling and pop night to a tour to Luxembourg and Belgium. And that was really exciting because it was when I was a member of the French Society, you were just told what to do, you go along and you kind of follow the leaders, whereas being the actual leader of the society, it's such a rewarding experience because you get to see all your plans fall into place, you get to see how the freshers are really happy on the tour, and everything feels very successful.